Dear students, welcome back. Once again, read CG Success for All tutorial classes. So in this video, class 9 subject mathematics, in that chapter 1 number systems 1.1 introduction continuation class. See here, in previous class we have learnt natural numbers, whole numbers will not be natural number, integer, you can take integer in a rational form, that is p by q is not equal to 0. Again here p by q is not equal to 0. You can write integers in this form. So now here every rational number is an integer. So here statement 3, every rational number is an integer. True or false? See here, three false, because 3 by 5 is not an integer. See, statement, what is statement here? What is statement? Statement 3, every rational number is an integer. Every rational number is an integer. False. False, because 3 by 5 is not an integer. I hope you have understood very well. Now see here, example 2. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. We can approach this problem in at least 2 ways. See here, find rational numbers between 1 and 2. So example 2, find 5 rational numbers. See, 1 and 2. You need to find 5 rational numbers. See, between 1 and 2, 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, then come 0. So here 1 and 2, between 1 and 2 you will find numbers 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9. So here solution 1, recall that to find a rational number between R and S, you can add R and S and divide the sum by 2. I repeat, recall that to find a rational number between R and S, you can add R and S and divide the sum by 2. So here 1 and 2, let us say R is equal to 1, S is equal to 2. Okay, so R plus S, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then R plus S divided by 2. So R plus S is equal to 3 divided by 2. So you will get rational number, that is P by Q form. Q should not equal to 0. Okay. See now here. So 3 by 2 is a number between 1 and 2. You can find in this manner. See, now the question, that is 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2, you need to find 5 rational numbers. Okay. So what it says, R is equal to 1, S is equal to 2. Okay. You need to find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So consider R is equal to 1 and S is equal to 2. Now take it as R plus S. R plus S divided by 2. See here, 1 plus 2 by 2, you will get 3 by 2. Okay. See, this 3 by 2 is equal to P by Q form, that is rational number. Q should not be equal to 0. So Q is not equal to 0. Now see here, if you take this 3 by 2, 3 divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 3 minus 2, 1, point here, take 0, 2 5 ja 10. So you will get 0. I repeat, make it clear here. 3 is divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Point here, 0. 2 5 ja 10. 0. So here you will get 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. So see here, between 1 and 2, you need to find any 5 rational numbers. You need to find any 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So here, between 1 and 2, you have many numbers: 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9. See, now here 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. So you got one rational number, 3 by 2. You got one rational number, that is 3 by 2. See here, you can proceed in this manner to find 4 more rational numbers between 1 and 2. These 4 numbers are 5 by 4, 11 by 8, 13 by 8 and 7 by 4. See here, you need to find 5 rational numbers. You need to find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So here take it as 1. After this one you will find 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 2. Between 1 and 2, between 1 and 2, you will find numbers 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9. So now we have condition that 1 and 2. So this is considered as R, this is considered as S. R plus S divided by 2, that is 1 plus 2, you will get 3 by 2. Again 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. So 3 by 2 is a rational number. You got here 3 by 2. Okay. Now here 4 more rational numbers. 4 more rational numbers given in a book. 5 by 4, 11 by 8. 5 by 4, 11 by 8. 13 by 8. 13 by 8. And 7 by 4. Okay. See here, if you divide this 5 by 4, if you divide this 5 by 4, you will get 1.2. 5. Okay. If you take 11 by 8, so you divide this 11 by 8, you will get 1.37. If you take this 13 by 8 and you divide this 13 by 8, you will get 1.62. If you take this 7 by 4 and you divide this 7 by 4, you will get 1.75. So see here, 1.25. 1.25. So the rational number is 5 by 4. 1.37. 1.37, between 1.3 and 1.4, you will get 11 by 8 rational number. 1.62. 1.62 means between 1.6 and 1.7, you will get 13 by 8 rational number. 1.75 here, 1.7 and 1.8, you will get here 7 by 4 rational number. So here find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So this is 1 and this is 2. Between 1 and 2, you need to find 5 rational numbers. You have 5 by 4, 11 by 8, 3 by 2, 13 by 8, 7 by 4. So between 1 and 2, you need to find 5 rational numbers. Between 1 and 2, you will find numbers like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, then 2. So in this, you will get 5 rational numbers. See here, say here 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2. So this is 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 2. See here, between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2, you have these numbers 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9.